You didn't touch them. You didn't hurt them physically. You were just talking. But Allah describes it as something terrifying. Eating your brother's flesh while he's dead. Allah says in Quran,
ولا يغتب بعضكم بعضا.
and do not backbite one another. Would any of you like to eat the flesh of his dead brother? You would detest it. Backbiting feels normal. Especially when everyone is doing it. A comment here. A joke there. A fact shared casually. But Allah chose one of the most disgusting images to describe this sin. Because that's how serious it is. Backbiting doesn't just damage relationships. It destroys your akira. On the day of judgment, your good deeds will be transferred to the person you spoke about. And if your deeds finish, their sins will be placed on you. The scariest part? Backbiting often happens in religious spaces, masked as concern or advice. Silence is not weakness. It's protection. If you don't want your deeds eaten, don't eat the honor of others. Comment, Ya Allah, protect my tongue. Save this before speaking next time. Follow for day 9, showing ingratitude. When blessings become invisible.